Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to get out of safe mode Windows 11 quickly and return your PC to normal mode. Now let's get started. Step 1. Press and hold the Windows key and press R. This opens the Run dialog box, which lets you access system tools quickly. It's important for opening advanced settings. Step 2. Type msconfig in the Run box. This opens System Configuration, where you control how Windows starts. It's used to manage safe mode settings. Step 3. Press Enter or click OK. The System Configuration window will appear. Here you can change startup options. Step 4. Click on the Boot tab at the top. This tab controls startup settings. Safe mode options are located here. Step 5. Uncheck Safe Boot under Boot Options. This stops your PC from starting in safe mode every time. This is the key step. Step 6. Click Apply to save the changes. Without this, the setting won't update. Make sure it's applied. Step 7. Click OK to close the window. This confirms your changes. You may see a restart prompt. Step 8. Restart your computer. After rebooting, Windows 11 will start in normal mode. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.